Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we have a 10-minute chipper workout, which means no repeats and we don't use any equipment. If you're ready, hit the like button because we're getting started right now. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our 10-minute workout, and we're gonna be starting on the ground right now. So we're gonna have our arms up and reaching up to the sky for sit-ups. So reach up high and touch those shoulders to the ground and reach up all the way, open up. Good. We're gonna be doing each exercise today for 1 minute and then going on to the next exercise because there are no repeats in this. Good, halfway there, 30 seconds in. Keep it up, use that core to lift you up all the way to the sky. Good, 20 seconds. Our next exercise is gonna be elbow in push-ups. Keep fighting to reach all the way up, 10 seconds. Almost there, and 3, 2, 1. Flip over, and we are going elbows in for these push-ups, squeezing those glutes, keeping that body nice and flat, touching that chest, and locking out at the top. Good, and if these are difficult for you, you can always do knee push-ups, just trying to keep your hips nice and flat, and keeping a straight body, squeezing those glutes, squeezing that core, squeezing those abs. If you can do some of these push-ups, you can always go down, do hand release, and push back up. I find those to be just a little bit easier, but they do take a little bit longer, so you cannot fit in as many as possible. But as long as you're working the whole time, you are doing a great job. Good, 5 more seconds, almost there. Good. In 2, 1, very nice. Next exercise, we're gonna be on our belly. So we're laying down on our mat and we're gonna put our hands behind our head and we're lifting up and doing an upper body Superman. Strengthening that upper back. That will make keeping your chest upright during squats and snatches and clean and jerks so much easier. Good, keep it up, halfway there. And raise the upper body up to the ceiling. Good, keep it up, 20 more seconds. Next exercise, we're gonna be standing up and lunge jumping. 5 seconds, and 3, 2, 1, good, and standing up, and we are alternating lunge jumps. So lunge, touch that knee, or at least almost touch, and then use those arms to swing up and switch, and swing up and switch. Good, and try and keep moving, stay in a rhythm, and don't break. We have 40 seconds left. Really pushing off the ground, making sure that there's a point where both of your feet are off the ground. You're getting explosive power that will help you in all of your other activities. Good. Keep it up, almost there, 15 seconds. Next exercise are penguin sit-ups. So we're heading back down to the ground in 5, 3, 2, 1, good. Let's sit down, and we are reaching to the side, contracting our abs and touching our ankles and catching our breath. Good, keep it up. Keep contracting, keeping those shoulders off the ground. And recovering from those lunge jumps. Good, making sure that your lower back is touching the ground the whole time. We have 15 seconds. Next exercise, we're gonna be standing up again, and we are doing in and out squat jumps. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Good, standing up. So we are going close squat jump, out squat jump, okay? Here we go. And close and out. Good. Keeping that chest upright like I was talking about earlier. Gotta have a strong back, and we are working on it every time we do a good rep. Good, and let's go from the side too. So notice keeping my chest upright, keeping my feet flat on the ground. I'm not in my toes. I'm not tipping back in my heels, which is actually something that I have to think about every time because sometimes I keep my way back a little bit too far. Good, almost there. 10 seconds, close and wide. Good, almost there. 5 seconds. 2, 1, good. Shake that out. And we are going down to the ground for elbow out push-ups. Now, if you can do these with those knees off the ground, do that. Trying to hit those 90-degree angles with the arms. And if you need to, you can always do knee push-ups, keeping your body flat. Good, 30 seconds, halfway there. Keep it up, touch that chest to the ground. Trying to stay in line with your arms so you're not coming back here like this and you're not too far forward like this. Nice straight line. Good, 5 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. And here we go for some hollow rocks. So, laying on the ground, bringing those arms up above your head. There's a couple other variations to make it easier. You can keep it down or you can grab. So you're making sure that your lower back is touching the ground, and we are rocking back and forth. Good, and squeezing those glutes, squeezing that core. Making sure that there's no hitting the ground with your butt and then your upper back. That would look like this. You want to roll nice and smooth, like you're something circular rolling on the ground. Good, and you do that by tucking your hips under to close the gap of that lower back. In 5 seconds, in 3, 2, 1. Good, and a rest. Whew, we get a little recovery now because we are jogging in place. If you want to make this even harder, you can bring those knees up all the way to those hands. If you want to make it easier, keep those feet down low to the ground. I'm trying to keep this medium so I can still talk to you guys while I do this. So I'm trying to go medium with my knees. Good, 30 seconds. And we are actually almost to the end of this already. We only have one more exercise, and it's gonna be a hard one. Good, 15 seconds, almost there. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Good, down to the ground. So, our challenge exercise is to be able to use our fist to keep our whole body off the ground, which is really hard to do. So if you can always push off and hold and down, or if you need to, lean back and hold, but that's not working the same thing. So if you can, leaning over. But if you have to, leaning back so you can work that compression if you're leaning forward. So here we go, holding that L-sit. And if you need to, coming down in between. Good, and you really have to squeeze those quads to keep those legs off the ground. And remember, if you need to, pushing down, lifting up. And almost there. 3, 2, 1. Good. And we are all done for today. Very good job. And make sure to hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button so I can see you every day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.